Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using a Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's open the Play Store. Be aware you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device, if you're logged in. So you can do it on your own, or you can check our tutorial of how to do it. Just search for how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So now simply tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and go to Manage Apps and Device. Then let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of all updates pending, and it depends what you prefer. You can either update all, and your device will download all of them, or simply choose specific apps and then tap on Update next to it, and your device will immediately download the update and apply it automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.